What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be taking you through Safe Harbor in Arc Raiders. This is a new quest in Riventides, and to start it off, we'll need to find the clue left by the restaurant kitchen staff, which, if we head over to Riventides, you'll find in the Hotel Panorama Azuro, all the way on the far middle west side of the map. So that's where we'll start. As I'm heading towards it here from the eastern side, you can see this almost top floor over here is where we'll be heading. That's the kitchen. Heading towards it from this southeastern side over here, I'll be heading inwards, and I'll take these stairs all the way up to the top floor that they go. There are, of course, a few ways to get up here, but this is the simplest. All the way from the top of the staircase, we're taken immediately across right next to this kitchen here. There is a zipline that leads onto the actual roof, which we can then drop down through this area here. Inside, you will find a shredder, which we will need to clear out, so just keep that in mind. After we've handled the shredder, we can then head properly onto this roof and straight past this little eating area into this main section where, all the way over here, you'll find these kitchen cabinets and this place where we can take the photo right between these two icons. Once we take the photo here, you'll see the next hint is taking us towards the tennis court towards the south, so that's where we're heading. Also, immediately behind this is a zip line, and this takes you all the way from the bottom floor over here immediately to your right if you happen to come in from the south side. So I suppose that's an even easier way, but you likely don't need to fight the shredder. Heading straight up towards the tennis court, just to the right side, so the northwestern side, you should find eventually a small shovel stuck in the ground. Over here, it might be in a couple of different locations, but there you go. Approach it and interact in order to finish off this quest. This interaction seems to take quite a bit longer than others. Either ways, once it's done, all we need to do now is head back and deliver the precision gimbal, which is an item placed in your inventory. You don't need to pick it up. Pretty simple. The closest extract for me seems to be the customs house here. Once we get back, we're able to hand in this quest, so hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.